apple lovers. So even if you are not an apple lover, right, you see apples every day in the market. Do you know these apples come from trees? Like tall trees. Not like very tall, but tall trees. And they come in different colors. The green one. These ones you see, especially if you're in Nigeria, everywhere in the market. There's these ones too that can be red with a blend of green to it. But the exciting thing is, you all know that there's what they call apple juice. This apple juice is made from the apple. Traditional people would say use a juicer, others would say use a blender and then squeeze out because you don't have a juicer. And this can come from all colors of apple, from the green, from the red, but it's all apples. But do you know there are other things you can make out of apple which you can use to make money? Yes, from all kinds of apple. I don't mean maybe the green or maybe the white or maybe the red. And that thing is apple cider vinegar. And in this course by Agrodemy, apple cider vinegar, you're going to be learning everything you need to know about producing an apple cider, the business of apple cider, what you need. You would also hear from people who run apple cider vinegar production business. And you see, what that will do is that it will change your perspective to the apples you see on the street. When you then see apples, you begin to see business. You begin to see cider in every single apple you see. So from now henceforth, whenever you see an apple on the street, do not see it as just apple, but see it as business opportunities. And to learn more about this business, go sign up on Agrodemy Academy. Or if you're already signed up, I can't wait to meet you in the main class. Thank you very much.